Hello, viewers. Once again, you're welcome to FTGFS weekly market outlook session. And basically, what we do is that we look at some of the events that are going to have impact in the markets, opportunities, fundamentals, technicals, and then we see how best we can make some money in the markets. Okay, so basically that's what we are going to do today. The platform that I'm using is the proptrade.com, and the proptrade.com is a proprietary firm that offers traders, good sums of capital to start trading with. All you need to do is to get on a challenge or sign up, get a challenge, and then keep going. Okay. So first of all, we're going to look at some of the events going to happen are going to have impact in the market. So you just visit www.theproptrade.com, and then you go to on the page, you go to trade. Okay, so trade, you select economic calendar. Okay, as I've selected, you scroll down to now select the dates where I have the mouse now. The dates is going to be 1st December to 7th. Okay, you apply, and then I try to filter out the news to get news that I'm interested in. So I want high impact news, maybe medium, a bit of that. Um, right. So on Monday we have capital spending coming from Japan, building approvals from Australia, nationwide HPI month from UK. And then the US, we have a lot of news coming from the US this week. We talk of the PMI, talk of the NFP. So on Tuesday, Switzerland, they would be announcing their consumer price index month over month, and they're expecting is negative 0.1. Um, and then on Wednesday too, we have Europe. We also have Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking on Wednesday. Thursday, we also have Bank of Japan board member Nakamura also speaking. And then on Friday, we are expecting the US to also announce their non-farm payroll numbers, and they've forecasted at 183,000. Okay, as compared to the previous, which was 183,000 as the forecast. Canada will be announcing their unemployment rate numbers, and it's forecasted at 6.5. So basically, these are some of the events that are going to happen in, or that are going to happen in the what's the name, in the coming week. Okay, so in the forex market, I would like us to look at USDCHF, that's USD Swiss francs. Okay, so once you have signed up, or if you haven't signed up, you can just tap on register like this, and then you type in your email address and proceed with the registration. But if you have already signed up and you already have a funded account, you move to the black circle there, you tap on there, and then you select, you register, or you log in into your account. So I have logged in, I have funded account. If you don't have funded account, you can just purchase. There's a promo going on, 25% discount. You can select any of the packages. My $5,000 account is $65. You have 20% discount. Okay, for me, I have a funded account, so the top left corner, I select funded account. Currently, I have a balance of 99,874. My profit now is $54, and these are the details there. Okay, so I select the trading platform, and the trading platform we use here is Trade Locker. Select Trade Locker. So, like I said, this weekly outlook session, what we basically do is that we look at events coming up in the week, the opportunities, how to also approach them, and then we'll look at pairs or instruments from the forex markets, commodities markets, crypto markets, and then we look at some of the potential opportunities and how to go about them. Okay. So I have this. I'm just going to remove everything, and then I said so with the forex market, the pair or the instrument we would like to look at is USDCHF. Why? Non-farm payroll news coming up on Friday, and then Swiss francs, also CPI news coming up on Wednesday, and those are high impact news that have high chances of impacting the market or moving the market. So let's look at it. So I come to the right corner, right top left, top right. I select metals is there. I can select all, and then I search USDCHF, and USDCHF here I select USDCHF Pro. Why? Because my account is a Pro account, and so that is why I'm selecting that. So now that I am selecting, or I'm done selecting it, now I'm coming to do my analysis at the left where we have the charts. Okay, when you look at the top left corner, the daily or the chart that's or time frame that I'm using is the daily time frame. So I'm going to switch to 4-hour time frame. Okay, I think that's going to be cool for me. The 4-hour time frame. Okay, all right. So this is what I see, and my analysis is basically going to be on price action, basically. Okay, on price action. So a moment. Okay, so then I select my horizontal line, then look out for the support. So this is a support that I have identified, okay, in my analysis here. That's like, let's see, another rejection here, and then the third rejection playing out here. Okay, so this is how you can approach it. Okay, when this support is broken to the downside, okay, you can look at profit targets, or the target to be, that's another key level, to be 0.87008. Okay, 0.87008. That is if the support is broken, and if it is broken, it means that you are selling. Then what that means is that anything above the support, you are not interested. So that's where you can place your stop loss, and you can put it anywhere. Okay, it depends on the individual, your risk appetite. You can also, if the support is not broken but it fully rejects the price movement, you can then decide to buy. Okay, and look at the profit target of 0.89322. Okay, 0.89322 as your target, and then you have your stop loss just below the support. So this is how I will be approaching USDCHF in the coming week. Now you need to understand that trading is about opinions. Okay, that's why we have the buyers and the sellers. So if you are selling, maybe you can look out for a support breakout. If you are buying, you can look out for the rejection by the support. Okay, and if, let's say, you're done with your analysis, you want to place your trade, you come here, down here, this is the lot size. You now type in your lot size based on your trading plan, and then where we have this arrow, you tap on the arrow, you see your take profit, stop loss. You just type in how much you are willing to, or at those price levels, and then you see your how much you are going to incur as a loss. So basically that is it for the forex markets. We are also going to look at the crypto market. Okay, and the crypto market, I have some points jotted somewhere. So Robert Kiyosaki, the popular author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, said FOMO is a short form of fear of missing out, is going to benefit a lot of investors as Bitcoin is nearing its 100,000 mark. Okay, so a lot of people who haven't been or bought Bitcoin feel like, oh Charlie, there's chances they can make some money. So for him, he believes that it's going to definitely get to 100,000, but for those who did not buy it earlier, as a result of fear of missing out, are not also going to buy, and that's going to benefit investors. Okay, so in the crypto market, so you want to create, you go to all, and then you select crypto, cryptos. Okay, sorry, a moment, let me, I'm filtering that out. Yeah, so you search BTCUSD. Okay, BTCUSD. Funny enough, over the weekends, Bitcoin still runs, so it depends on if you are trading it over the weekends, you can trade it. So yes, so what I'm going to also do with crypto or Bitcoin, we know there's Trump crypto-friendly policies that are yet to be implemented. Kiyosaki's comments and other comments also still sees the crypto market bullish, or it's in its bull run. Okay, so for BTC, I also choose the 4-hour time frame. If you don't know where to select it, you go to the top left corner like this. You tap on it, you select it. Okay, you maximize it, and this is how I would want to approach the BTC market. Okay, let me see, this as the highest price, that was 99,800, and then 99,800. Okay, 99,800. All right. So if you look at this carefully, you realize that at this point, the highest price is the highest. And then when the price was trying to go up again, it got rejected here again, here. And at this point also it got rejected. Okay, so there are two ways. So if you are looking out or looking forward to buy Bitcoin based on the fundamentals and whatever that is going on in the crypto space, you can buy when this trend line is broken up in the 4-hour time frame, and then when that happens, your profit targets you should look at maybe a 99,908, okay, as a profit target. However, if this rejection, okay, price rejection by the downtrend line also persists, then you can also look at take profits at 94,707. And if that is even broken further, then you should be looking at this key level 90,788. So what that simply means is that if the rejection persists, you sell and ensure that you have your stop loss a bit above the downtrend line, okay? And if you're looking forward to buy to, you buy when that trend line or downtrend line is broken to the upside, okay? So this is how I'm going to also approach BTCUSD. So the last one we are going to look at is gold. Okay, gold is doing a lot, and then I have few things to points that I would want to also share with you when it comes to gold. So with gold, it's moving higher as the dollar and the treasury yield weakened following the US holidays. Okay, and then the other point too is that the higher or gold is also edging higher on the prospects of December Fed funds or Fed rate cuts. Okay, and also geopolitical tension, the Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Lebanon, and all of these things going on in the world. Okay, so these being the fundamentals of trying to move the conversation, we are also going to look out for gold. Okay, so you search at the top right corner, search XAUUSD. But it's a pro account that I'm using, so I select pro. Okay. Yes, I select pro. I'm already in a trade, so I mean it's still kicking. What I'll be doing is I'll just use the 4-hour time frame again. But however, if you want to change your time frames, you can come to the top left corner, you select that, and I select my two trend line. Okay, it's been trending upwards, even though we had some sharp fall on Monday. Okay, so this is it. Okay, there's my trend line. A moment. Okay, and this. Okay, no. Let me drag this down a bit. Okay, okay. So this is an ascending triangle. Okay, and this is how you can approach it. Let me drag this here a bit. Okay, good, good, good boy. And then this one too. Also good. All right. So this is what is happening now. So if you are looking forward to sell, okay, you have to look at the fundamentals, the yields, also the dollar weakening and all of that. So if you are looking forward to sell, you will look out for a breakout on this trend line, okay, this uptrend line. If you look at how it played out, it started from here. Let me here, as you can see the arrow, and then price got rejected here again, which looks very interesting. And then the last one is last week it got rejected somewhere here. Funny enough, we're expecting it to rally or should go up, but then unfortunately it has also gotten rejected somewhere here. So I mean, it's in that triangle. Okay, so what is going to happen is if you are looking forward to sell, you can wait for this uptrend line to be broken, and when it breaks out to the downside, you place your sell order, and then you have your stop loss in between the or within the triangle. If you're also looking forward to buy, but with that one, you can look at it, take profit of around 2548 or 2600. Okay, that's been the lowest for the week. If this you are also buying and then this downtrend line also breaks up, you can now look at 271 thereabout as your take profit. Okay, and also ensure that you have your your stop loss in there. Now, one thing I would want you to understand is this is not an investment advice, educational for educational purposes. I'm sharing with you what I would want to do from my point of view. So even if you want to take it, ensure that it also aligns with your trading plan. Okay. So basically, this is I'm bringing to the end today's or this week or the weekly outlook. We looked at Forex, where we chose USDCHF. Why? Because Swiss franc CPI news coming up on Wednesday, non-farm also news coming up on Friday. We also looked at Bitcoin because I mean Trump is in power now. His administration, we have a whole lot of things going on, and then Robert Kiyosaki, the popular author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, also added his comments that FOMO is going to definitely drive the price to 100,000. And then the last one is gold. Looking at geopolitical tension, the dollar weakening, the bonds also yields also weakening. So basically, this is it. Join us next week. Let's do it again. Bye bye. And quick one, if you don't have an account with the proptrade.com, ensure you have an account with the proptrade.com. Get funded and let's keep trading and make some cool money for ourselves. Bye bye.